5 proven marketing strategies to scale your manufacturing business in 5 years. Marketing strategy for manufacturers. Manufacturing businesses need effective marketing strategies to stay ahead. Growing your company, especially in the manufacturing industry, is more than just producing high-quality products. It's about communicating your value clearly and effectively to potential customers. This blog post explores 5 proven marketing strategies to scale your manufacturing business over the next 5 years. Whether you're a small manufacturer looking to expand or a larger company aiming for further growth, these tactics will provide practical guidance to help you succeed. 1. Understand your target audience. Successful marketing starts with understanding your audience. By identifying your ideal customers, you can tailor your message and create stronger connections. Developing detailed buyer personas will help you craft messaging that directly addresses their needs. Use tools including surveys, focus groups, and social listening to learn about your audience's pain points and motivations. Think about the industries you serve, the problems your products solve, and what your customers really need. By truly understanding your target audience, you position yourself as a trusted solution in the marketplace. Use data to know your customer. Data is key to understanding your audience better. Gathering information from your current customers and monitoring your online presence can provide valuable insights. Manufacturing often involves specific niche audiences, and knowing these groups allows you to create precise, targeted campaigns. Data-driven decisions improve customer experiences and increase conversion rates, driving growth for your manufacturing business. Develop a strong online presence. A strong online presence is essential. Many manufacturers overlook digital strategy, assuming their audience isn't online. But today, more B2B buyers are researching products online before reaching out to suppliers. Optimize your website. Your website is your digital storefront. Make sure it is well designed, easy to navigate, and responsive. Quick loading times and easy access to information about your products or services are crucial. Use SEO-friendly content so potential customers can find you through search engines. Keywords like marketing strategy for manufacturers and manufacturing business should be naturally included throughout your website to help you rank well in search results. Content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful way to showcase your expertise and provide value to potential clients. Creating insightful blog posts, case studies, and white papers can attract visitors and build trust. By addressing common industry problems and sharing your knowledge, you provide real value that can lead to sales. Marketing Managed recommends creating detailed guides that align with the challenges manufacturers face. For example, writing about how to tackle supply chain issues or discussing industry trends can position your brand as an authority in the field. Harness the power of social media. Social media isn't just for consumer brands. More and more B2B manufacturers are using social platforms to connect with their audience, share content, and boost brand awareness. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and even Instagram are effective for humanizing your brand and showcasing your expertise. LinkedIn for business growth. LinkedIn is especially powerful for manufacturing businesses. It connects you with a professional network that includes key players in your industry. Sharing relevant content, connecting with industry leaders, and engaging with quality leads can help broaden your visibility. Marketing Managed recommends maintaining an active presence on LinkedIn, posting regularly, participating in discussions, and showcasing your company culture or successful projects will keep your brand top of mind in the manufacturing community. 4. Email marketing for lead nurturing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective tools for B2B companies, including manufacturers. Unlike other platforms, email gives you a direct line of communication to potential customers and keeps your company on their radar. Building a strong email campaign. Email marketing allows you to deliver targeted content straight to your prospects. Personalizing emails to address specific challenges your audience faces can significantly boost engagement. The goal should be to build relationships by sharing valuable content, not just promotions. Informative articles, product updates, and industry insights can help convert leads into loyal customers. We've seen success by segmenting email lists and sending targeted campaigns. Segmenting based on industries or buyer journey stages allows you to provide more relevant content. Make it easy for potential customers to schedule a consultation or demo directly from an email to simplify their buying journey. 5. Invest in trade shows and industry events. Digital marketing is crucial, but face-to-face interactions still matter. Trade shows, exhibitions, and industry events are great opportunities to meet potential clients, showcase products, and establish your brand in the industry. The value of networking. Networking at trade shows helps you foster personal connections, which can be difficult to achieve digitally. Make sure your booth includes interactive elements and clearly demonstrates your manufacturing capabilities. Trade shows are also an opportunity to gather direct feedback from prospects, which can improve your marketing strategy. These events help build credibility and brand recognition. A well-designed exhibit and engaging with attendees can leave a lasting impression and open doors for future partnerships. Bonus: leverage marketing automation. Marketing automation tools help manufacturers efficiently manage multiple campaigns and touchpoints. Marketing in manufacturing requires a consistent, methodical approach to reach potential customers, and automation helps streamline this process. Benefits of marketing automation for manufacturers. Marketing automation lets you schedule social media posts, nurture leads through email sequences, and track interactions to understand how prospects engage with your brand. This saves time and ensures your efforts reach the right audience at the right time. Tools like HubSpot, Zoho, Marketo, or Pardo can be extremely helpful for managing campaigns effectively. Marketing Managed recommends using marketing automation to keep campaigns consistent and data-driven. Automation allows your sales team to focus on leads that are most likely to convert while providing insights into what works and where adjustments are needed. Final thoughts on scaling your manufacturing business. The right marketing strategies can make a significant difference in growing your manufacturing business over the next 5 years. By understanding your audience, building a strong online presence, leveraging social media, nurturing leads through email, investing in trade shows, and adopting marketing automation, you put your company on a path to long-term success. Marketing in manufacturing doesn't have to be overly complicated, but it does need to be consistent and tailored to your audience. At Marketing Managed, we understand the unique challenges of scaling a manufacturing business. Implementing these strategies can help you grow and establish your brand as a leader in the industry. Start building your strategy today and watch your manufacturing business grow